Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import custom fonts in Capcut mobile. Okay, here I have opened my Capcut application on my phone and I have created a project. And first of all, we can tap on the text option right here. Then we're going to click on add text. Okay, and here we can select the font option. Tap on this font option and you're going to tap on this plus button to import custom font from your device, and you're going to click on upload file right here and select the font you would like to import to your Capcut. And here I have downloaded a font from the internet and I'm going to select this font. Okay, and as you can see that the font has been uploaded to this Capcut project, and if we want to use it, we just need to tap on the font like this and you can enter the text. And I'm going to add this text. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can import custom font in Capcut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.